Hey, it's Gina from WTI. I am slowly but surely changing the decor in my front room to mid-century modern. And something I am just loving that's a perfect accent pillow for my couch is this 18 by 18 pillowcase cover from Smiling Onion. The first thing that I really like about this are the colors. I just think that the gray, the black, the white, and the kind of brown mustard color are perfect to fit in with the rug that I have. And they really do go with the mid-century modern look. I also appreciate the stitching on the background. The white fabric has a really pretty detail to it that I like a lot. It brings a nice texture to it and something a little bit different than just a regular piece of fabric. The feel on the colored portions of the pillowcase cover is really nice. It's kind of like a low pile carpet or terry cloth, and it's really soft and cozy. I also appreciate how well made this is. I'm a seamstress, so I always pay attention to how the zipper is, how the seams look, and everything's really tight and well put together. If you're looking to add that extra accent to your boho or mid-century modern look, I really like this pillowcase cover from Smiling Onion, and that's my point of view.